This is a review for the 65-inch Samsung Frame TV. So right behind me, hung up on our wall, is our 65-inch Samsung Frame TV. My husband actually purchased this for me 2 years ago as a Christmas gift, and we have thoroughly enjoyed it. One of my favorite features about the Samsung Frame TV is that you get to select the artwork that goes on it. I recently had a friend over who said, I love that your Frame TV gives you an option to center your living room around artwork instead of just around a blank black screen like most televisions. I love that too. Couple great things about this. First of all, it does mount nice and flat to the wall. So we have ours mounted here above this chest of drawers. It comes with this device here. This is really the brains of the TV. It easily plugs in to the computer or box here. It has a connection cord. You can probably see it just a little bit, but it's actually in a clear coating. So the wiring between the TV and the connector box is really difficult to see because it's made clear. Just plugs in really easily. This connects to the power source back behind our chest of drawers. Couple great features about this. First of all, it's really pretty. We have not opted to do the add-on frame, but you certainly could. So Samsung offers an option where it will have like a wood-looking frame. It's an add-on, but it would kind of give it more of a polished look. We have opted out of that. Our family enjoys this Frame TV because we get to switch out the artwork. For an additional fee annually, you can buy the art package, which allows you to switch out the artwork whenever you want. So in our family, we have taken turns. So maybe this week's my week and next week's my husband's week, or the following week's my daughter's week. And so we each get to select artwork that we really enjoy. So right now it's my choice. It happens to be the Christmas season, and so we put something a little bit festive up here. But I want to show you how quickly you can transition. So on the remote control that comes with it, it does have quick buttons for Netflix, Disney, Prime Video, and Samsung. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on so you can see how quickly it transitions from the artwork to the actual television. So I'm going to go ahead, push the power button. Here I am in the art display. So by simply scrolling through, I come to a whole bunch of different options. There are collections listed here. I could go into this collection and very quickly select an alternative, like this large dog photo. If I want to go back and get to the actual television, I can navigate my way over there, head home, and here I am at the various apps. So I can download lots of apps. It comes preloaded with lots of different apps. Like I said, Disney is here, Prime Video, also Netflix on a really quick button. Easy to use, really pretty. I can quickly turn it off, and it immediately transitions right back to that piece of artwork. So if you are looking for a really great alternative to a traditional television, something that gives you something prettier to look at than just that black empty screen when your television is off, I highly recommend the Samsung. We've really enjoyed it. We like changing up the artwork based on our style and our mood and the time of year. If you're looking for a great product, if you're looking for something that's going to give you a little more visual interest in your home, I highly recommend the Samsung Frame TV.